Sum number 20. If the line Lx plus My equal to n be a normal to the ellipse this, prove that this equal to this. So we have to do this one. Actually this line is a normal. So you copy this given one, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is an ellipse. Now that ellipse, after taking that ellipse, if you differentiate, see 1 by a square is constant, x square differentiation is 2x, and y square differentiation 2y dy dx, because y is considered as x. So first 2y, then again differentiation of y, that is dy dx, that is y dash, and b square is constant, so it will be outside a denominator, and differentiation of 1 is 0. Now this one you send in this side, and after that with y it was 2y by b square, so b square will go up and 2y will come down. Do the cancellation, you are getting y dash. Now y dash at the point x1 y1, that means you put x1 y1 in place of x1 and in place of y1. So this is the slope of the tangent. Then slope of the normal will be this 1 by minus 1 by dy dx. So the normal's formula is, you know, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy dx into x minus x1. Now this y1 and x1 value you put. Y1 value, this is x1 y1 only. So it is y1 and x1. Now do cross multiplication, and after arranging, see, you are getting xy bring that side and x dash y dash bring that side. So this is the equation. And another equation given, this one. Now this equation, this is equation number 1 you give, and this is equation number 2 you give. Now actually, see this one, this is the equation of normal, and this is also equation of normal, right? These two lines, this is equation of normal and this is also equation of normal. Up to this one, Abhishek, understand?
Yes, sir.
So these two lines are equation of the normal. That means the same line. So if it is same line, then coefficient of x by coefficient of x, that is y a square. See, that is written. Again coefficient of y, here it is equal to sign. So coefficient of y, that is m, and coefficient of y here minus x1 b square. So that is minus x1 b square written. Minus down it will be go up. Again here is equal to sign. N is coming this side, so it will be minus n. By this one also minus this one. So minus minus cut, that is why minus not given. See this constant term, this one, and here constant term is n. So it will be n by this. Now you do, one is this equal to this right here, another is this equal to this right here. So from here you are getting value of x1, and from here from there you are getting value of y1. Okay. Now see, second part, you see that second part, that one continuation of this. Now here this x1 y1 lying between this line, so it will be x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Now value of x1 you put here, value of x1, that is, this is the value of x1. If you do not understand, again I am showing you, this is the value of x1, clear? And this is the value of y1. These two value you put here. Okay, this is the value of y1 square you put here, then do simplification, it is coming. So everything, this whole equation you divide by L square, M square, N square. See, then the proof has come. Understand the sum?